Good morning class. Standard 9 chapter 4 linear equations in two variables. The lesson is very easy. Let us start with the introduction part. In the earlier classes you have studied linear equations in one variable. Can you write down a linear equation in one variable? You may say that x plus 1 is equal to 0, x plus root 2 is equal to 0 and root 2y plus root 3 is equal to 0 are examples of linear equation in one variable. You also know that such equations have a unique solution. You may also remember how to represent the solution on a number line. So, page number of your textbook 66, please open and sit. Now, let us see what are linear equations. Let us recall what you have studied so far. Consider the following equation. 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. The root of the equation is 5 minus 5 upon 2. This can be represented on the number line. See the number line. 0, right side is all positive numbers and left side all negative numbers. The solution of a linear equation is not affected when the same number is added to both the sides of the equation, or you multiply or divide both sides of the equation by same non-zero numbers. Now, in a one-day international cricket match between India and Sri Lanka played in Nagpur, two Indian batsmen together scored 176 runs. This is just an example. Express this information in form of an equation. So, let us use x and y to denote them. So, the number of runs scored by one of the batsmen is x and number of runs scored by the other is y. So, we can represent by x plus y is equal to 176. This is an example of linear equation. So, it is customary to denote the variables in such equations by x and y, but other letters may also be used. Some examples are 1.2s plus 3t is equal to 5. Second is p plus 4q is equal to 7. So, please see the examples which are given in our textbook. Now, some important facts about this. In a plane, a point can be located using two mutually perpendicular lines such that one of them is horizontal and other is vertical. The points are very important. Please write down in the notebook. The horizontal line is called x-axis and the vertical line is called y-axis. Okay? An equation of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b and c are real numbers such that a and b are not both 0 is called a linear equation. There can be an infinite number of solutions of a linear equation. Very important point. The graph of a linear equation in two variables is a straight line. Every point on the graph of a linear equation in two variables is a solution of the linear equation. On the other hand, every solution of a linear equation is a point of the graph of linear equation. The graph of x equal to 0 is the y-axis itself. The graph of y is equal to 0 is the x-axis itself. Okay? An equation of the type y is equal to mx represents a line passing through the origin. What is origin? Where two axes meet, that point is called origin. Now, linear equation. An equation in two variables x and y in form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is called a linear equation such that a, b, c are real numbers. If we draw the graph of a degree 1 equation in two variables, we get a straight line. Every point on the graph of a linear equation is its solution. On the other hand, a solution of a linear equation always lie on the straight line representing the linear equation. Let us check the point 2, 3 lies on the graph 3x minus 4y plus 6 equal to 0. This is just an example. Left hand side. What is on the left hand side? 3x minus 4y plus 6. So, put x equal to 2, y is equal to 3 in the equation and you get the answer 0. LHS equal to RHS. Then only you say 2, 3 satisfy the equation 3x minus 4y is equal to 0. Is it clear? Now, linear equation of in two variables x plus 2y is equal to 6, and the second point we have got Let us see what does it mean. In the previous chapter, you studied how to plot the points on the graph paper. So let us plot the points 0, 3, 2, 2, 4, 1, 6, 0 on a graph paper. Okay. So draw x-axis, y-axis, see figure 4.2, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. So the few observation was every point whose coordinates satisfy equation 1 lies on line AB. Every point AB on the line AB gives a solution x equal to a, y is equal to b of equation 1. Any point which does not lie on AB is not a solution of equation 1. These points are very important from the graph. Now we shall move to exercise 4.1, which is very easy. So please write down in the notebook. Now, what is question number 1? Question number 1 says that, so read the question. The cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Write a linear equation in two variables to represent this statement. Hint is given to you. Take the cost of notebook be rupees x and that of pen be y. So the equation says cost of notebook is twice the cost of pen. So x is equal to 2y. So the equation is x minus 2y is equal to 0. Please write in your notebook. Question number 2 also very easy. Express the following linear equation in the form of, it is standard form, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Okay, let us start. 2x plus 3y. Now 9.35 bar is given on the right side, so bring it to the left side. 2x plus 3y minus 9.35 bar is equal to 0. So a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to minus 9.35. Okay. Now we go to the second one. X minus y upon 5 minus 10 is equal to 0. So it is in the standard form. A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1 upon 5, c is equal to minus 10. Third, minus 2x plus 3y is equal to 6, not in the standard form. So it could be written as minus 2x plus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. A is equal to minus 2, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to minus 6. Following? Very easy. Fourth, x equal to 3y. So x, 1x minus 3y plus 0 is equal to 0. A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 2. Fifth, 2x equal to minus 5y. So 2x plus 5y plus 0 is equal to 0. A is equal to 2, b is equal to 5, c is equal to 0. Sixth, 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. So 3x plus 2 plus 0 is equal to 0. A is equal to 3, b is equal to 2, c is equal to 0. Seventh, y minus 2 is equal to 0. So x variable is not there. 0.x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Accordingly write down a, b, c. And eighth one also I have written. So now we move to exercise 4.2. 4.2 also very easy. Which of the following solution option is true and why? Y is equal to 3x plus 5 has option 3 infinitely many solution. Why? Because a linear equation has an infinitely many solutions. Now we go to question number 2. Very easy. Write down in the notebook. Write 4 solutions for each of the following. First, 2x plus y is equal to 7. So let us start. When x equal to 0, put x equal to 0 on the left hand side. What do we get? 2 into 0 plus y is equal to 7. So y is equal to 7. So the solution is 0, 7. Second, x equal to 1. 2 into 1 plus y is equal to 7. So y is equal to 7 minus 2 gives you 5. So the solution is 1, 5. X equal to 2. 2 into 2 plus y is equal to 7. Y is equal to 7 minus 4. So y is equal to 3. Solution is 2, 3. Please check. In the same way, put x equal to 2, x equal to 3. Now we go to the second one. Pi x plus y is equal to 9. Put x equal to 0. Pi into 0 plus y is equal to 9. So y is equal to 9 minus 0. Y is equal to 9. So the solution is 0, 9. Next page. X equal to 1. Pi into 1 plus y is equal to 9. So y will be 9 minus pi. So the solution is 9 minus pi. X equal to 2 and put x equal to minus 1. In the same way, x equal to 4y. Okay, so put x equal to 0. 0 is equal to 4y, so y will be 0. So the solution is 0, 0. Put x equal to 1. 1 is equal to 4y, so 1 upon 4 is equal to y. Solution is 1, 1 upon 4. Put x equal to 4. 4 is equal to 4y, so y is equal to 1. Solution is 4, 1. Put x equal to minus 4. So minus 4 is equal to 4y, so y will be minus 1, and we get minus 4 and 1. Now question number 3. Check which of the following are solutions of the equation x minus 2y is equal to 4. Now by putting the values which are given to you, if you get both sides same, then it is a solution. First one, 0, 2. Okay, x minus 2y is equal to 4. What is on the left hand side? X minus 2y. So put x equal to 0, y is equal to 2 in the equation. 0 minus 2, 2 minus 4, and this is 4. Both are not same, so 0, 2 is not the solution. X minus 2y is equal to 4. 2, 0. X is 2, y is 0. Put the values in the equation and check whether LHS equal to RHS. Not equal, so it is not a solution. Third, 4, 0. Put x equal to 4, y is equal to 0 in the upper equation. Now you see both LHS and RHS are same, so it is a solution. Now the next one, x minus 2y is equal to 4, and the points are root 2 and 4 root 2. Not same, so it is not the solution. Fifth one, 1, 1. It is not same, so it is not the solution. Now the last question is find the value of k. The values are given if x equal to 2, y is equal to 1 in the equation. So let us put the values. X equal to 2, y is equal to 1 in the equation. LHS, what you are getting in the LHS? 2x plus 3y, 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1. So 4 plus 3, so 7 is equal to k. So k is 7. So please write down in the notebook all the answers.